All right, y'all, let's make a strawberry icebox cake. Okay, here's the instructions and the ingredients. Pause it if you need it. You're going to make this box cake by the instructions. We ain't doing nothing fancy because this is a quick, easy summer treat and we ain't trying to be in the kitchen or have our oven on too long. Okay, you can even do this in a convection oven or inside your air fryer if you have one. So you're going to make this strawberry soak. You're going to use some of the juice from your macerated strawberries. Okay, and put that in your milk mixture, and you're going to poke holes in the cake and pour it all over your cake. I would say use half of the soak if you want your cake to be soaked but not drenched. If you want your cake to be a more of a wet cake, like a tres leche cake, which is what this is a play off of, then you would add all of the soak. All right, you're going to put strawberries on top and layer them until you have a nice layer and the cake is completely covered. And then you're going to put it in the freezer for about an hour to 2 hours. Add your whipped cream, add your strawberries on top, dust it with a little powdered sugar for effect, and serve. Promise you, this is going to get you all the feels and all the love. It's very good.